Why professional Blender artists use plugins, how this can be an advantage to you, the different types of plugins and the impacts they have on supporting the Blender community. Time is precious in the world of professional art and design. For every artist, time spent means potential earnings. Blender plugins act as good assistants, automating repetitive tasks and speeding up workflows. Imagine modeling a whole car without the aid of plugins.
Oh my god. Hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on. No! Hell no!
It is possible, but the time saved by using plugins is priceless. So let's explore real-world examples of how plugins save time and, most importantly, save you some hair loss. I for one am grateful for plugins. They allow me to do things that would seemingly be impossible or unrealistic in terms of time. However, I am aware that plugins are not everything, and plugins are not some magical tools that just make everything for you. There is some level of skill needed in order to get the most out of the plugins you use. So in the previous example, we saw car being modeled from scratch. Of course it's doable, but it depends on your level of skill and experience in this industry. However, with the Blender Kit add-on, you are just a few clips away from getting similar or even better results. Fully textured and rigged, ready to go. However, because this is a free model, you might need to credit some of the artists and attribute them in your projects just to support the Blender community. The types of plugins. Plugins cater to a wide range of needs, from basic modeling to advanced simulations. They are a one-stop shop offering solutions for artists at every skill level. Beginners can use simple plugins to grasp the fundamental concepts, while intermediate users can explore more sophisticated tools to enhance their projects. Advanced artists push the boundaries of creativity with specialized plugins, unlocking new possibilities in Blender's vast ecosystem. Let me take you on a journey through my experience with Blender plugins or add-ons. Like many artists, I first hesitated to use plugins, fearing they would undermine my originality. However, as I ventured deeper into the Blender community, I realized that plugins are not shortcuts, but powerful tools in the right hands. They freed me from repetitive tasks, allowed me to focus on what truly matters: creativity. Let me share some crucial moments that transformed my view on plugins. For example, let's take a look at this render I did a while back. It involved a city. Now we all know how complicated cities are, and if you really want nice, detailed, proper looking cities, you're gonna have to spend some time on modeling every single part of the skyscrapers, or you could just use a city generator like how I did. In the grand scheme of things, it doesn't really matter how you got there. The client won't be asking you, did you make every single window of the building yourself? The only thing that matters is if you deliver on time, deliver proper work on time. That's all that matters. So it's very valuable. Keep in mind that this project took me 2 weeks. Now imagine if I had to model every single skyscraper from scratch. You see where I'm going with this? Do you see what I mean? I will leave some links in the description for the resources I've gotten, some of the free add-ons you can get, and some beginner-friendly tutorials and YouTube channels. While plugins offer a lot of benefits, it is crucial to understand their limitations. Over-reliance on plugins can lead to laziness and it can hurt your artistic growth. It is very important to have a balance between using plugins for efficiency and sharpening one's skills through manual techniques. As a word of advice to new and upcoming Blender artists, it's better to test out the free plugins and see where they lead you before investing a whole lot of time and money into paid plugins. I'm sure you will not regret it. Just test it out first, see where it takes you, and then if you are more comfortable, you can dive headfirst into the endless Blender world. So, now you know. Blender plugins are invaluable tools for a wide range of artists, offering a lot of benefits while contributing to the Blender community and supporting independent artists. Whether you are a seasoned pro or just starting your journey, using plugins into your workflow can take your art to new levels. Are you ready to unleash your creative potential? Dive into the world of using extra tools to enhance your art today. And don't forget, Blender 4.1 just released, so go ahead to blender.org, download it and get blending.